Tools required for installation: hexagonal toolkit, 12, 14, 17, 19 Alban end wrenches, Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench. Disassemble the trolley for installation and packaging. Fasten the 4 brackets with screws and attach the top. Hot glue mini trolley module. The position of the long screws is to secure the controller bracket. Check the controller bracket holes correctly. Lock the screws with a 17 Alban end wrench. Remove the screws from the upper reserved holes with a hex wrench. The mainframe is placed on the trolley module. Fix machine and trolley with the removed screws. Lock it well with a hex wrench. Connect the connecting plate to the controller bracket with 2 M8/16 outer hex screws. Secure the controller to the controller bracket with M8/16 outer hex screws, M8 nuts. In this way, the hot glue machine module is well installed. According to the channels to be used, remove the plug of the hot glue machine with a 6-hex wrench. Connect the 120-degree gluing elbow to the hot gluing machine. Lock with an adjustable wrench and a 19 Alban wrench. To make sure there is no glue leakage, the flange plug of the thermal insulation pipe is connected with the female plug of the channel flange of the hot glue host. Insert the card at the buckle position. Here it should be noted that the number of channels should be connected to the number of plugs. Please note to match the position while connecting the warm pipe joint with the 120-degree rubber band. Lock with 19 Alban end wrench. Install the oil-water separator on the hot glue vehicle module. Use a Phillips screwdriver to lock it. The hot glue gun is fixed on the L-shaped chrome rod stop. Lock with a 4-Allen wrench. Lock the L-shaped chrome rod with long slot assembly. Secure the long slot assembly to the machine lift plate with M8/25 screws. Adjust the interface direction based on site requirements. Connect the insulation pipe joint to the spray gun. To make sure there is no glue leakage, insert the female connector of the insulation pipe flange into the hot glue gun. Adjust the distance between the nozzle and the product. 3 to 5 m is the best spray height. Connect the encoder to the wire connect and lock well the correspondingly channel with controller. Connect the gun cable to the controller and lock the corresponding channel. Connect the optical cable to the controller and lock the corresponding channel. Note, the photoelectric and spray gun connection cables should correspond to the same set of interfaces. Connect the 220 voltage, turn on the power switch, and switch on the power supply. Install the encoder in the appropriate position on the box pasting machine. Lock the encoder to the wall panel with M8-10 screws. Ensure that the belt can drive the encoder steadily. Attach the long slot assembly to the machine lift plate with M8/25 screws before spraying the hot glue gun. The hot glue host is connected to the air source and connected to the 8 cm gas pipe. Connect the glue mainframe to air source ATCOM gas pipe. The 90-degree connector of the oil-water separator is the intake end. Connect 8 cm pipe. Adjust the pressure of machine to 0.2 to 0.3 MPa. Adjust the air pressure of oil-water separator to 0.4 to 0.5 MPa. Connect the air source.